Hello and welcome to another QB Models Spine Leg of eBay video. Today we have the Volvo L350F Wheel Loader, set number 42030 from the Lego Technic range. We'll look at the advert and why I purchased this set, and then how the model was packaged and sent to me. We'll then open up the parcel, look at the condition of the model's box, the instructions and of course the Lego pieces. Did I get what I thought I was buying? So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Before we open the box, let's discuss why I wanted the model and what attracted me to this advert. The Volvo L350F Wheel Loader was released in 2014 under the Technic range. It sold for around 170 UK pounds, 220 euros or 250 US dollars. For that money, you got a remote controlled power function set with 1636 pieces. It was the Technic flagship set for 2014 and looks to have some great Technic functions and play features. Researching prices on Bricklink, a model with no box sells in the range of £140 to £170 and a model with a box £176 to £227. Regarding a new sealed in box set, prices do vary quite considerably from £233 up to £450 and even some sellers going for a very optimistic price of £600 and £750. In my experience, eBay sellers are 10 to 20% cheaper than Bricklink stores, but it is a different level of customer experience and service you will get. Looking at the eBay advert, I must admit it wasn't very attractive. The description really said nothing, and the photos show the model and the box front face, but nothing of any significant detail, and it didn't even show the instruction manual. Another red flag was the postage rate of £5.90, as these models would normally cost between £8 to £9 to post. However, the photos of the model looked very honest and the seller had a 100% positive feedback score from 485 transactions. It was listed as an auction, and as I done my research, I knew what price I would want to pay for it, up to £135. I wanted to ensure that if I wasn't happy with the box and its instructions, I could always resell it and cover my cost. The auction ran its course and I won it for £125 plus postage. In my opinion, if it had been advertised better, it should have reached £160 to £180. I was concerned about the postage cost, so I messaged the seller and politely asked to protect the box to withstand the rigours of being posted. So let's see what I got. Before I open up this box, I have to say, first of all, real strong heavy duty box, and it is massive, a really big box. So let's get into it and let's see what's it like inside. Yeah, and we're nearly in. This is a big old box. Oh, that's interesting. So first of all, I have to say that the seller has actually done a brilliant job packaging this box. He's bubble wrapped it by the looks of it. Then at each end put these, made his own box up, put these ends on it and then wrapped it around. So quite a thorough job. He's put air pockets inside as well. Very thorough bit of packaging there. Okay. Oh. Right. So very big heavy duty box. I must admit I don't know how that is going to look on camera. It was a big old box. So the seller has very nicely bubble wrapped the whole set as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased in how this has been packaged up to me. I'm going to see if I can save some of this bubble wrap. No bit of bubble wrap gone. And there we have it. What a great looking box. I am really pleased about this. When I saw it on the advert, there was only one picture of the box. There wasn't that many pictures of the box, so I was taking a little bit of a risk in buying it. So if you're thinking about selling anything, always take a few pictures of the box, because you may get a buyer a bit like me who's very interested in not only the model but the box and the condition of everything. So I would have to say I am really impressed. This box is perfect. Look at that detail. Like with all my unboxings, I will be doing a full speed build of this set and a Technic review of it. I am so looking forward to getting inside this model. Now, okay, it's got some sellotape there, and some sellotape there, and some sellotape there. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the box upside down. I think because I don't want to damage this box at all, I'm going to get a hairdryer and I'm going to release the sellotape that obviously the seller has put on the box. Just looking at the back of the box, there's a bit of a crease here, but you know something, that is so minor, I'm just really chuffed. Yeah, so I'm going to get my hairdryer, I'm going to release that sellotape. So I was about to use a hairdryer on all the bits of sellotape I could see and the seals. However, I've realised that this wasn't like a whole flip top lid. What we've got is actually originally had 4 security seals, and so the previous owner had actually only released 2 of the seals, and so I've left those 2 over there absolutely intact. I've released these 2, popped it open, and straight away, hopefully you can see this, straight away I see some pieces. So I've got a funny feeling that either a bag has come unloose or the previous owner has just put the pieces loose in there. Okay, don't know if you can see in there, it's a little bit of a mess, but it looks like the pieces are in bags, so maybe one bag has come open. So if I just move this over here and let's start to get some of this stuff out. Now this is a shame. I would always say when you're sending something through the post with the instruction manual, get 2 bits of cardboard, sandwich it down so that you don't get this. Now fortunately it's just very bent, there's no rips or tears, the actual instruction manual just looking in good condition, it's just been bent. So I'll get a heavy object on top of that and I will flatten that all back down again. As we continue inside, oh dear, we've got a wheel here. Actually, I think I'm just going to very gently start to tip it and see what happens. So what we've got here, we've got the sticker sheet. So fortunately that hasn't been too damaged in the post, which is more by good luck. We've got the massive bucket, 1 bag of Lego pieces, another bag, all the power functions, we'll have a look at that in a second. So I wonder if one of the bags have just broken or something. Okay, so let's put all these Lego pieces over to one side here, have a look at the box first, and then we can have a look at the Lego individually. Okay, so I said before, the box itself is in really good condition, and the seller did actually package the box really well, so I'm very pleased with the box. It looks absolutely immaculate, perfect condition box, so really pleased with that. So let's quickly go through all the Lego pieces. We've talked about the instruction manual, so that just needs to be flattened, likewise with the stickers in good condition. The first bag I've come across, it's got all the Technic gears, pins, wheels, etc. Quickly just examining them through the bag. I can't see many bite marks, teeth marks, and we've got a piece there with a stick on. That all looks okay. Big yellow bag here. Just pull out a few pieces. So we've got a yellow piece there with some stickers on. The stickers have been applied okay. Bit of a angle, unfortunately, but never mind. But the stickers look in really good condition, so that's good. It does need a bit of a wash. As I say, with all my Lego, I always wash it, so very important from a hygiene point of view. I'm really looking forward to getting these pieces, the green engine blocks. The front grille, very important piece there with the Volvo sticker on, nicely applied as well. So obviously, until I go through and check all the parts, so usually in the back of these manuals there should be an inventory list. There we go. Is it 1 or 2 pages? Yeah. So there we have the inventory list. So I will go through the whole set, and whilst it's time consuming, it's important to do because at least you then know that you've got all the pieces. Looking at the black Lego, seem to have a mixture here of the more modern lift arms, Technic lift arms, and the more classic Technic beams. I really do like these bits of Lego. Another piece there with a sticker on. Looks all good, just needs a wash. And I have to say, actually, it isn't that dirty either, so it's just needs a bit of a light clean. Axles there. Actually, before I go any further, I've just realised in this set here we've got the actuator. That looks like it's working as it extends, and then it comes back in. There we go. Excellent. Here we have got all the power functions. So this is a big old set. So it's got quite a few bits of power functions to it. Let's just get it all out. So according to the box here, we should have the battery box, which we have. It's nice and clean. 2 remote controls. Again, nice and clean. Servo motor for the steering. What else have we got here? A large, well, extra large motor here. And then we've got another large motor and a medium motor. And some infrared sensors. Excellent, and some more actuators. Brilliant. And last but not least, these were the pieces that were left loose in the box for some reason. Inside, I've just put them inside this big old bucket. The bucket looks in relatively good condition. Quite pleased with that. This again, a good clean. There's a few light little marks, but nothing too bad actually. So that's all absolutely fine. And the last important pieces are the wheels that we've got, all 4 of them obviously. Smelling, just having a quick smell of the rubber, no smell, so it's probably come from a household that doesn't really smoke, so that's all good. My overall impressions, I'm very happy with this set. I'm very happy with the price I paid for the set as well. The box is far better than what I was expecting, so I am really pleased and chuffed about the box. The instruction manual, that's probably the biggest disappointment. The condition of the Lego I'm very happy with, just needs a light clean, absolutely fine. So yeah, so really pleased with this purchase. I will do a stop motion speed build of it and a full technical review of this set. So please subscribe if you want to see some more of these videos. I do other older sets such as the Technic sets and the Model Team and Racer sets. So subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like the video and leave a comment down below. I've also got its partner in crime, the Bulldozer set number 8275. Really looking forward to getting these 2 models working together. So all that remains for me to say is thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care.